Y'all, so I'm taking off my makeup, right? And so what I wanted to say is, so let me put you up on game, okay? So usually I get this one, right? Okay, and I don't know if y'all can see that, but this is 10 times hold, right? So I went to the store today to get some bonding glue, and then I saw this one right here, y'all. Okay, so this one here is a Supreme hold, okay, and it holds up to 20 times on the lace. Okay, you just got to use it maybe 2 to 3 times. Spray, right? But let me show y'all, because I've been out all day. Okay, I've been out all day. Period. Okay, I've been out all day. Let me show you. Look at this, y'all. I'm like, I'm literally yanking my almost my scalp out. Y'all can see how I'm gripped. This, look, like it ain't going nowhere. Like, look at this, y'all. Look, it ain't going nowhere. It ain't going nowhere. I don't know how long else it's gonna last, but like I've been out, like I said, all day. I've been sweating. It's hot as hell in Texas, so you already know. So my thing is, ladies, if you want something really good, like really, 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 really good, get this one, okay? If you don't want to use lace bonding glue and you want something real fast and quick and you going out, and this is, look, y'all, it's fast drying, no residual buildup, 20 times hold, and